If you want to move your life forward, it is important to focus on the positive aspects of your life. This video will show you how to take the negative influences in your life away and replace them with positives, so you will have increases in morale and productivity. Most people do not realize the extent to which negative influences pervade their lives. They are constantly bombarded with negative messages from the media, their friends and family, and even themselves. The first step in the process of replacing negatives with positives in your life is to make a decision to look for the positive messages and ways to replace them. Most people start their day with the news. And of course, most of the news is bad. Then it's on to traffic and weather, which can also be stressful. So by the time you finish your coffee, you've had enough bad news for a whole week. Many people watch the news before bed in an effort to wind down and relax. However, this practice can have negative effects on their sleep patterns. If you are often exposed to negative news before bed, it will be harder for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. You may also feel more stressed the next morning because your mood has been set by the news before bed. It is probably unnecessary for you to consume so much negativity from the media. Instead, try focusing on positive aspects of life. Stressing yourself with bad news can be counterproductive. Instead, try to find sources of positive reinforcement such as motivational tapes, uplifting music, and websites that focus on good news. Reading empowering books can also be helpful in recharging your life. TV watching can be a waste of time if you don't care about the program you're watching. A recent study found that 78% of people watching TV at any given time are not interested in the show they're watching. So it's best to turn off the TV and use that time for more fun activities. It is important to limit your exposure to negative people. Most people do not realize how draining it can be to be around negative people. But they drain your energy and spirit in many ways. Negative people pull you down. So work to remove them from your life as much as possible. Do not get involved in the office pity party or complaint sessions that come your way. Seek out supportive friends instead. Negativity is one of the most damaging things we can do to ourselves. We tend to focus on our shortcomings, problems, and worries, which leads to a lot of fear and worry. In addition, we often undercut our own abilities by not trying new things or taking risks. Focus on the good in your life. What are your strengths? What have you accomplished? How are you different from other people and better for it? Use visualization and affirmations to create positive images of yourself achieving the things you want. Think about all the good things in your life right now. The process of thinking of the good things in your life will generate positive feelings for you that will last throughout the day. To maintain a healthy body, it is important to eat nutritious foods and exercise regularly. This will help you feel good about yourself and achieve your goals. Helping others will help you feel good about yourself. Taking time to get involved in a charity, animal shelter, or other activities that help others will give you positive feedback from others and make you feel like a good person. What goes out comes back to you, so make sure it is good when helping others. A positive outlook on life can make you and the world a better place. You will feel better mentally and physically, plus accomplish many of the things you wanted to. Taking action starts with changing your thoughts, so start today by looking at your life in a more positive light. If you like my video, then please do subscribe my channel for more videos.